What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Max and back again with another video. Today we're going to be going to a zero size car show. This is going to be a nice little park and show car show that I'm going to be hosting. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and also follow me on my social media at Maxo.Mark7 on both Instagram and TikTok. And comment up below if you see your vehicle in the video. Enjoy the video. Alright, so officially made it to meet. Got me right here. Not a bad turnout. Got two Q50s over here. Got TRX. This is just chilling over here on the grass. Got this clean CRV. This thing's actually pretty clean. I like that. That's nice. Got my boy. Got a whole zero side over here. Going board in the Challenger. Got some more cars over here. We got my boy in the IS 500. We got Mustang. We got ATSV. Oh, this is the ATSV or CTSV on the tire. So on a V-lock too. Interesting. So 650. Got my boy Nolan. Got another body right here. What's up? What's up? So we got pretty good turnout. Got my boy Jeremy over here in the Dodge. Thing's stupid clean. Stupid clean. And we got Maddie over here in the Challenger. We got another Charger. And we got this S10. Pretty clean. So pretty good turnout, I'm not gonna lie. Location wise, okay, not the best, but yeah, we got Maddie, we got that Charger, got the bikes over here. So we're all chilling. But yeah, we're all just chilling over here. TRX, brand new TRX. It's clean, I like that. Got a Camaro rolling in. So not gonna lie, not bad. Not bad of a turnout. Got this AMG C63 over here, which you don't ever see. Got my boy Kelly over here in the BMW. Got my boy Jacob over here in the Lexus. You've seen him before in the vlogs. Got a whole line of Chargers and Durangos. Whole lined up. Looks like a track hawk or just a Cherokee. Got a boy Bam Bam right here in the Charger. And of all the cars, we got a 01 just chilling over there. Oh yeah, we got Bam Bam here. We got a couple more Chargers. Got this RT Durango. Got 99 meats here. So pretty good amount of cars. Nothing crazy, we're all just chilling here. We're all just chilling. We have my boy Pat rolling up. Boy in the Mustang. So the cars were just here, but they are, looks like they're leaving, so we are all good. Hey, got some more cars rolling in. We got a 550, another Charger. But yeah, pretty good turnout. Not bad. That boy Jeremy roaring out. Nice 550. bikes rolling in. Got a boy OTK. Got a boy Turtle. Just got the Pro Charger done. He just got the Pro Charger done on that car. And then here's another C6. For 7 years. It's another C6. God, dude, what in the world is happening? Got my boy over here in the Mustang. Did a nice little shoot. You will see those photos soon. We'll keep on walking around and see what else we got. It says C6.
I'm gonna get a bike to match. I'm gonna go get a Honda bike and match my painted blue. Both have the CVRs. CVR 1000. I'm not gonna
fucking miss it.
It's a good fly-by road.
That's the 1000.
It's a good fly-by road.
Hey, damn. That person was hauling mud. Damn. So we got a good lineup of cars over here. We got a we got a good lineup of cars. We got a 650 right here. We got a 550. Got a Chevy Camaro on a weld, no hood, with a supercharger. We got a C7 Corvette. It's not a Stingray. It's probably a 06 or a Grand Coupe. Yeah, that's a 06. But yeah, Camaro on a weld. Well, I should say drag pack. Supercharged. Got a 550 one that rode earlier. We got an RT back there. So not that bad, I would turn out. We got this thing. What the world? This is that Camry with the damn train horn, I think. But yeah, pretty chill turnout. Yeah, and I all chilling. Got Zero Side over here, the whole lineup of them. Got some more Paulina in the back. That person on the bike is holding butt. And that thing's stretched too. Got more cars rolling in. Got two Camaros. Black one and a blue. Ooh, that blue one's nice. LT1, that's nice. I like that. And we got more cars. We got more Chargers rolling in. What the? Oh, come on! Don't start. I've seen that Camaro. That's the one. That's a Camaro that goes to those legal. Golly, brother. So, more cars rolling out, bikes rolling in, another Camaro. We got more people rolling in, damn. Man, that bike was hot as bud, shoot. More bikes. Man, this whole lot is almost packed, surprisingly. Yes, everyone wants to be outside on a nice Friday night. Got more bikes rolling in. Okay, that Camaro is. I've seen that Camaro before. We got cars coming in and out. Got a couple more Chargers rolling in. We got Hellcat. I hear that whine. Two Hellcats. Got another Camaro right in, a C8. Got RS5. Camaro. Oh, is this that truck? Oh, hold on.
About to blow somebody here.
Oh my god, look at them. There's a lot more cars coming in. Looks like we got cops now, so let's see how this goes. Before I go start heading out, but we'll see. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to conclude the video right here. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and also follow me on my social media at Maxwell.Mark7 both Instagram and TikTok. And comment below if you see your vehicle in the video. Catch you in the next one.